So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are sharing a lot of ideas related to winter decorations for school. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is totally helpful for you and useful for you because we are sharing a lot of ideas related to winter decorations for school. So here are a lot of ideas. For example, you can make a kind of snowman, you can add a snow structure, you can make made mini snowmans and you can also do decorations on your doors, your corridors. You can also decor your softboards. Softboards are decorations are totally interesting and most eye-catching, most captivating. So whenever you can decor your softboards, these look be super interesting. So guys, here are a lot of ideas. You can take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even so you can download this video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end, and select the idea that you like the most. And guys, hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected.